as dark as the deepest midnight. He's the quintessential black cat, very beautiful and big and strong. Midnight is here at the shelter because his owner could not afford the pet deposit in the rental unit. He has been around cats and does fine with that, and he especially enjoys being around people. He just cannot get enough attention from us and will follow you around. He likes to play and be active, but he also just enjoys getting petted, getting rubbed on, cannot get enough attention, and he will let you know. He's quite vocal, but he has a really gentle, even sweet meow. He just wants a home where people and cats can give him all that love that he craves. When he first arrived at the shelter, Midnight's initial veterinary exam revealed some problems that needed to be treated. He was just generally not feeling well, and there were some minor things that could easily be treated. He had a growth on one ear that looked like it might be something dangerous, but it's been removed completely and successfully and is all healed. He's also had a dental procedure, a few teeth removed and the others cleaned. That's all been done. He's now feeling good, ready to go to that new home with people who can give him the attention he craves and will demand, and also maybe some cats to admire him, because he does like to be admired.